Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, my dear students, and today we are going to learn a new chapter number 10, time. Okay, I hope you all are remember. Okay, before starting our session, my dear students, let's check here, my dear students, today's quote, and then after we will move on our session. So first of all, let's check here today's quote, my dear students. So now here we will check the today's quote. So today's quote is what, my dear students? Today's quote is, so here we will check the today's quote. Today's quote is what the best revenge is to improve yourself. Okay, the best revenge is to improve yourself. And this quote is given by Hazrat Imam Ali alayhi salam. Now here, my dear students, we will check for the session what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn a new chapter number 10. So now I am going to start here the chapter number 10. So my dear students, here we will start the chapter number 10. Okay, what is the name of this chapter? Name of the chapter is what? Time. Chapter number 10, and its name is what? Time. Okay, so now my dear students, here we will going to start the chapter number 10, time. So now I am going to explain here the chapter number 10, time. Okay, so now here let's check here looking back means introductions of time. What is the introductions of time? I am going to explain here. So first is the shorthand or overhand. Okay, yesterday I was told you, and yesterday I was showing in board. Okay, what is which hand is a shorter hand and which hand is a longer hand. Okay, shorter hand it's called a overhand, and a longer hand it's called a minute hand. What is the difference between overhand, a short hand and long hand? Short hand is the overhand and long hand is a minute hand. That is the difference between short hand and long hand. Again I repeat, my dear students, for you short hand is a overhand and long hand is a minute hand. Okay, so here the long hand or the minute hand tell us how many minutes parts that hour it is. The overhand take once hour to move from one number to the next. The minute hand moves fast. Means what? Overhand means our time is going to slow, going to one from another to next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As like that, the time is going to till 12 o'clock. Okay, and then after the minute hand moves faster. What, my dear students? The minute hand moves faster. So it take 1 hour for the minute and hand go to all around the clock. 16 minute and 1 hour. 16 minute is equal to 1 hour. What, my dear students? Again I am going to explain this all things. Okay, only in first page in this slide we have to check what is a overhand and what is a minute hand. Both things we are going to learn, my dear students. Okay, so now here, and one things you have to memorize with me. 60 minutes make 1 and half. What, my dear students? 1 hour, 1 hour is equal to, it's make a 16 minute. How many minutes, my dear students? Okay, 61. I am writing here 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, my dear students? 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. Got my point, my dear students? It's very important for us. See, this is here what is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes, my dear students. Okay, and that is important for us, and it's the key. Okay, it's a key, my dear students. So you have to memorize these all things. Again I repeat, the looking back Again I repeat, my dear students, looking back. Okay, so looking back, the shorter hand or the hour hand tell us what hour it is. Okay, shorter hand it's called a hour hand, or a long hand it's a minute hand. Okay, the shorter hand or hour hand is a tell us our time. Okay, and a long hand or the minute hand it's tell what is tell it's the minute, means how many minutes past that hour it is. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you understood, all of you? Okay, the hour hand take a 1 hour to move from one number to next. What, dear? The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from a one number to the next. The minute hand moves fast. Minute hand is move fast. Okay, it takes 1 hour for the minute hand to go all around the clock. 16 minutes to make 1 hour. 16 minutes make 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 16 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here? So my dear students, 16 minutes, 16 minutes make a 1 hour. Okay, and we can say as like that 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. How many minutes, my dear students? 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Okay, again and again I repeat, dear, for you what? Okay, 16 minutes make up 1 hour, and 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes, and 16 minutes make a 1 hour. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Okay, so now my dear students, we will move on for the next. Okay, we will move on further the next. So my dear students, here we will going to check the minutes. Okay, here we have in front of the clock. How many clocks are present in front of you? First 2 and then after 4. It means total 6 clocks are there. How many clocks are there? There are total 6 clocks. Okay, there are total 6 clocks are there. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? Okay, so first of all, let's check here the first clock. So first clock is C. Okay, it started from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, means 1 o'clock to till 12 o'clock. Okay, 1 to 12 o'clock means a day. In a day to 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here? Okay, now this both point means both word you have to keep it in mind. One is hour hand and second is minute hand. What, my dear students? One is minute hand and second is hour hand. So this both word you have to keep it in mind. So first is what, my dear students? See here. Okay, and always you have to remember small hand is the hour hand. See, this is small hand is hour hand and a long hand is a minute hand. So whenever you are in see a watch, so that time what you are checking, you only check the both hand, small and long, small and large, short hand and a large, short and long hand. Okay, short hand is in which stand in on which number, and a long hand in which number. Got my points, my dear students? So see here, this is what? Okay, minute hand is on a 12. See, this is minute hand, means a long hand is where? Long hand is a long hand is on a 8. Means minute hand, long hand is what called via other names is a minute hand. Minute hand is on a 12. See, on a 12 number. Overhand is on 8. See, overhand is where? On 8. Overhand is on 8 and minute hand is on 12. So, short hand is on 8 and a long hand is on 12. Okay, so time is what, my dear students? 8. Okay, 8 means, or what we can say in other term, 8 o'clock. What, my dear students, what we can say? We can say is what? Time 8 or 8 o'clock. Got my points? 800. Okay, got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students, minute hand is on a 12. See, this is a minute hand, my dear students. I am presenting here for you. See, this is a minute hand. Okay, and this is a what, my dear students? This is a minute hand and this is a overhand. Okay, so this is very important for us. Minute hand is on a 12 and overhand is on 8. So time is 8 or 8 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, then after here is the second clock. Minute hand is on a 6. See this minute hand on a 6. Minute hand, it means a long hand. Where, my dear students? See, again I am presenting here, my dear students. See, this is a long hand and it's on a where? It's on a 6. Okay, and overhand, where is the overhand? Overhand is on between 8 to 9. See, 8 to 9. Overhand is 8 to 9. See, here is overhand is what? 8 to 9 is on overhand between 8 to 9, not a specific on 8, not a specific on 9. 8 to 9. Okay, my dear students, so what to do? Okay, so we can say that 8:30 or half past 8. What, my dear students, what we can say? 8:30 or half. Okay, means half. 6 is still here is half. Time 8:30 or half past 8. Got my points? It's the both word is important for us. See, this is a half past 8. What, my dear students? Half past 8. Okay, so 30 minutes make a half an hour. What, my dear students? Half an hour means 1/2. Okay, so I am going to write here, my dear students. 1 means not a 1, half and half hour. What should we mention, my dear students? Half hour. Okay, means a half an hour. What, my dear students? What we are mentioning here? Again, I repeat for you. Half an hour is equal to half an hour is equal to how many minutes, my dear students? 30 minutes. See, it's very important for us, my dear students. Okay, it's very important for us. See, okay, my dear, what is the meaning of this sentence? Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes, my dear students. Got my points? What I am telling you, dear? Okay. So, my dear students, again I repeat here for you, my dear student. Here is 8 o'clock. Okay, here is 8:30, means half past 8, means 8 o'clock and half time of 8 o'clock is gone. So what we can say? Half past 8. Got my points, my dear students? 30 minutes make a half an hour, 16 minutes make a 1 hour, and here is 30 minutes make a half an hour. So half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood betterly. Now my dear students, we are going to write here the time. What? Here we are going to write the time. How many clocks? How many o'clock? Okay, or now we have to write the time in two ways. Okay, we have to write in two ways. Here is say 7, but what we have to write here, we have to write in different way. 7 o'clock, my dear students. What we have to write here? 7 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? Is the different way of the timing. 7 and 7 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? Then after, see what is time of this clock. It's a small hand is where small hand is on 11 and 12, between 8 and 11. See, this is small hand is between small means our hand between 11 and 12. So what we should mention there? 11. Okay, and a large means a minute hand is on a 6. So what we code 11:30. Okay, so I am writing here, my dear students, 11:30. Got my points, my dear students? Time is what? 11:30. Okay, and what is a way to write of other way? 11:30. Okay, we can write as like that. Half, what my dear students? 11:30. What my dear students? 11:30, my dear students. Understood? 11:30. Okay, so it's a very important for us. So my dear students, it's 11:30 and 11:30. Okay, and then after, my dear students, a third clock. So look at on a third clock. What is the time of a third clock? So it's the, see, first of all, our hand is on a 1. Okay, is on 1, and a minute hand is on 12. What, my dear students? Our hand is on 1 o'clock, 1, and minute hand is on a 12. So what is time, my dear students? 1 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? It's the 1 o'clock. So see here, this is a 1 o'clock. Okay, and you have to write the here 1 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? Then after the last clock, and what is the time of the last clock? We have to check the first of all hands. Okay, small hand means our hand is on between 6 and 7. Our hand between 6 and 7. Okay, and a minute hand is on a 6. So what we have to write, my dear students? The time is 6:30. Okay, time is what, my dear students? 6:30. Got my points, my dear students? And how can we write in other term? So we can write in other term as a form of half past 6. What, my dear students? Half past 6. Means half past 6 is gone already. So what we have mentioned here, we have to mention the, what, my dear students? We are going to mention a half past 6. Got my points? Okay, and you have to keep it in your mind, this thing, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes make a half an hour. Okay, and 60 minutes is make a 1 hour. Okay, and half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear. Okay, Dear students, we will move on the further topic, reading a time to quarter past and quarter to and half. Quarter means what? A part, fourth part. Quarter means what? Quarter, it shows the fourth part. Okay, first is 1 hour, half an hour, quarter, past. Okay, it's all words are using for the time, showing the timing, speaking the timing, and writing the timing are importance for. Okay, so reading time to quarter past and quarter to the hour. What, my dear students? Reading time to a quarter past and quarter to the hour. The journey to school. What, my dear students? To journey to school, Ankita reached the bus stop at the 7 o'clock every morning. Ankita, it's the name of girl, and she reached at the bus stop. She reached the bus stop at 7 o'clock. Even where? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in morning. Okay. She. This is Ankita, and she reached the bus stop at the 7 o'clock. See, my dear students, a time. Okay. This clock is a simple clock, and this clock shows the digital clock. I hope you know what is the difference between this clock. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, understood all? Okay, so it's the simple clock. Okay, and it's, see, this is a simple clock and this is a digital clock. The minute hand is on a 12, and the hour hand is on 7. See, this overhand means the small hand is on 7, means overhand is on a 7, and minute hand means long hand is on a 12. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly, dear. Okay, so now we will move on further, my dear students. Next, okay, this is example of a railway station, means railway. The bus arrives by the time the minute hand has reached 3. Okay, minute has, when he is reached 3, it shows a 15. Okay, 12 it shows a 16, 3 is shows a 15, 6 is shows a 13, and 9 is shows 45. What, my dear students? See, 12, 1, 2. Okay, so 12 is shows a 16 minutes, 3 is shows a 15 minutes, 6 is shows a 16 minutes, and 9 is shows 45 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here, the bus arrives by the time the minute hand reaches 3. It has traveled quarter to 1/4 way, means 1 1/4. Okay, it has traveled a quarter. What, my dear students? Quarter. Okay, quarter means 4, part of the fourth, or a 1 1/4 way around the clock. So see here, the bus arrives the time to the minute hand reaches 3. The time is now 15 minutes past 7 or 7:15. We also read the quarter past 7. What, my dear students? What we can say in other term? Quarter past 7. Got my points? Quarter past 7. Quarter past 7. Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you here? See here, quarter past 7. Time is now 15 minutes past. Time is now 15 minutes past 7 or 7:15. We also read this as quarter part 7. Okay, the bus arrives, again I repeat, the bus arrives by the time and the minute hand reaches 3. It has traveled by quarter 1 1/4 way around the clock. Then after here the second example, the bus pick up her friend Shabnam at a 7:30 o'clock when the minute hand reaches 6 and has traveled halfway around the clock. So, what is time of this clock? 7:30. 7:30. Its time is what? 7:30. The time is now 7:30. So what we can say the 7:30 half? Okay, half time we can say the half past 7. What, my dear students? Half past 7. We can say as like that, half past 7. Again I repeat, my dear students, for you. The bus pick up her friend Shabnam. Bus pick up her friend Shabnam at 7:30 when the minute hand reach a 6 and has travelled halfway around the clock. 7:30. The time is now 7:30 or half the past. See here. Okay, see, this is a watch, my dear students, and it shows a 7:30, means half past 7. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Now we will move on further, my dear students. Next, Ankita reached a school by the time the minute hand reached a 9. It has travelled 3/4 or 3/4 way around the clock. Okay, my dear students, what I am telling you, I was telling you 12 shows the 16 minutes, 3 shows the 15 minutes, 6 shows 30 minutes, and 9 shows 45 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Again I repeat, 12 shows 12 is equal to 16 minutes, 12 shows 16 minutes, 3 shows 15 minutes, 6 shows us 30 minutes, and 9 shows how many minutes? 45 minutes, my dear students. So what we have to do? What we have to memorize? We have to memorize these four agenda, these 4 concept, dear. Got my points, my dear students? This time is now 45 minutes past 7, or say 7:45. We also read this as a 7:45 because when the time had travel another quarter around the time to reach 12, it will be 8 o'clock. Got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students? That's why your parents and your teacher say you properly go and direct you go at your home. This time is now 45 minutes past 7 or 75. We also read the quarters to 8. What, my dear students? What? We also read this quarter to 8 because when the mixed minute and travel another minute and travel another quarter around the clock to reach 12, it will be 8 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? It's 7:45. So first is 7 o'clock, then after 7:15, then after 7:13, and then after last is 7:45. Okay, quarter to 8 means 15 minutes to left, 8 o'clock. It's called quarter to 8. My points, my dear students? Understood? Now, last page, my dear students, means today's last concept. Telling time to 5 minute correctness. Okay, we have to telling a time 5 minute correctness. Okay, so my dear students, this topic we are going to learn in the next session. I hope you all are enjoying this lecture. I hope, my dear students, you all are enjoying this maths lecture. I hope you all are understood everything. If you have any doubts, so call me or message me. Okay, my dear students, and you have to prepare these wall things in your rough book or in your fair book. What my points, my dear students? Understood all of you what I am telling you here? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you all.